Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then please hit the like button, share and subscribe also. And comment करना मत भूलना यार, please. अच्छा लगता है, Today I'm gonna talk to you all about something which is really convenient to me. Like I found it. I got my hands on this kit, and this kit is from Bombay Shaving Company, and this kit includes like one shaving gel after you shave, and one is like shaving cream, and another one is like it was free for me. Yeah, that's what the razor. Oh, this is the entire kit, and I'm in just love with this kit, and that is so convenient. You can actually take it with you along in wherever you want, and it's really so quick and easy to do everywhere, like wherever you're going to travel sometime, like suddenly you have to pick up your bag, so just take this kit with you. सो ये वैक्सीन वैक्सीन के झंझट से आप लोग बचे रहोगे. Plus, when it comes to shaving, there are lots of myths which actually need to busted. Like अगर आप शेव करोगे तो आपकी जो हेयर ग्रोथ होती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा थिक होती है नेक्स्ट टाइम, एंड or your hair grows really fast and you have strawberry legs and etc, lots of, and these are the stereotypes we are really made to believe in. Trust me, none of them is true. That's why for me, shaving has been the most convenient method to get my hair removed. So right now I'm going to do the simple and easy method to get my hair removed. So stay tuned with me. I took a bowl full of lukewarm water with some rose petals which I had, and I'm going to apply on my hand before I'm going to shave. Now I'm gonna use this Bombay Shaving Company's ultra sensitive shaving foam with lavender and argan in it. It makes shaving with your razor seamless and smooth. Lubricates moisturizes skin to prevent any cuts or bruises. This superior quality product without any paraben, silicone and sulfate. And this ultra moisturizing shaving foam prevents ingrown hair, keeping your skin satin smooth to offer a delightful shave. This razor from Bombay Shaving Company has been designed to do three things very well. First, it shaves without any cuts, bruises, and skin irritation. Second, it's super easy to clean because of this anti-clog technology. And the third, cartridges are designed to last very long, giving you the maximum value for the money. In the end, I'm going to use this soothing gel, which is again from Bombay Shaving Company. It is an antiseptic formula which combats redness in case of small nicks and cuts. There's no sulfates, no paraben, no silicones, which is a herbal extract. Aloe vera, which has fermented menthol, cools and refreshes your skin. This entire kit is dermatologically tested. So what are you waiting for, guys? Just go and grab this because you have to pamper your skin with love and care. So now I'm feeling really soft, and now I'm going to apply this on my legs too. So yeah.